Okay. Now
Sige.
you can do.
Daghana ina mungingi day.
This is for Ate Cecil.
Thank you day.
Flowers for her.
Daghana
Then you plant this, Ate Cecil, okay?
Okay. Thank you day.
You're welcome.
Pag imong kamot ha.
Here.
Sakit kay na.
Put this right here
Ang
for
diha
her.
okay.
Put this in the
Salamat
flower vase.
day. Pag matngon kay daghang tunok.
We'll get some more up here. Way down here.
Mm.
Oh, daghan bulak, Ate Cecil. Uy,
Wala. Wala kay bulak ron.
I have so many. I still have a
Wala.
lot in the...
Nasangit.
Oh, just stop. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
Okay, now that's a really good.
Karaghan eh.
It's so hot. It's very small, so good.
Kaya na.
Ani,
Wala. Matanom na siya day.
definitely. Yeah, you can
Okay.
put on this, Ate Cecil, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you want more? Ano pa?
Nara diri kini
Asa ready you want?
Di ka naman lukod din wa na si buwak day.
Kani gusto mo dalhon?
Kada
Kani, if you
nga wala kay imo.
make you happy. Okay.
Lah.
It's plenty.
Lucky ka.
It's plenty.
Okay, tayo sakto na na eh. Daghan kaayo.
Put this in the...
Ang imong kuan na wag tanto imong kuan.
I'll take it out.
Napalahog.
It's okay. Ay, napalahog.
Unsa man na siya?
Yeah, I'll get it.
Kanya ka to imong kuan.
Daghan na. Yeah, I'll take it. Daghan na kay Ate Cecil.
Thank you, Day.
This is for Ate Cecil.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
You're welcome, Ate Cecil. Kan kaayo.
Wala pong nakada.
Okay. Tempa-tempang. Wala mo tarin. Tempa-tempa. Uwa mo dito ni mo na on.
Okay.
Okay, just do like that. Okay? Okay. There you go. Perfect.
Okay, bye. Agri. Kung ang taring flowers, hinatag ni Lini. So, ito na ni sa kuan eh. Ta. Di madami. Kuhaan lang gika ni siya. Ah! Kasakit! Ay, kaligri. Kuhaan ka ni sa kuan. Kay, di maram. Kaya kinisag kuhaan sa ninato kay di matabang. Kasakit. There you go. Kuhaan na ito gamay kay di mada. Kasakit. Yun, ayun, kasakit yun daw. Ay. Na. Okay. Ya, kini. Sakit tapi. Na. Ano to? Ya. Sakit. Thank you dong. Mga tayo mga sirandrap. Ya. Tara muna. Agay. Powers on. Nice.